Very important because you put these two Salah, then on become off become on. So you have to check very carefully. This one plus. Okay, correct.
Blue is a
This
negative.
one, the second, this channel. This is positive. Are they coming in positive?
Yeah, in out. Positive.
Positive is this one. Where's the red coming in?
Left, right up. 20.
Okay, this one. Positive. Okay. Then the final one is, okay, this one you use the, this one positive. Okay, also okay.
already, or?
Yeah. Never mind. Move, doesn't matter, just move.
The triggering source.
You attended the first one is to remember.
So how you do it? Make it stop.
What's this?
The trigger is on channel 1. This is out of the trigger. That's why it's running. Once this arrow on the right is trigger level. Go into the scope of that particular channel, then it locks in. Okay, can you remember? This one. Then this one can move up and down. Move down, it runs. Move up. If it's yellow, go to yellow. If this one is blue, you go to blue. Now I'm selecting channel 1. Okay? Alright, so this one, I will have to move this a little bit so that the arrow here, the arrow on the top is like not pole like that. It's fixed, always doesn't run. Okay, now the thing is this one. So once you've connected everything properly, you should get all this with the probe setting. Let me check. Correct. Times 100. Okay, times 100. Correct. Times this times 1 because he follow my one. If for those using times 100, still okay. Alright. So now what we want to do is to show the channel, all the channel together. Alright. This channel is just recording it. So maybe you take it away. Look clearer, not clearer. Too many things were crowded. So this one here is a switch. Okay. You see, every channel has got its position. You see, you move up and down. The arrow on the left is a 0 reference, so I put it in one the line. So this one will tell me that on off.
On.
Yes. On off. On off. Okay. So frequency, get it right first. As I said, set frequency fixed. Then you change the duty cycle. Frequency you don't change anymore. Okay. But I must set the correct frequency. 2000 Hertz.
2000.
Yeah, so now I want to check the frequency. The best is to move it, or you move it over here. Because, someone go and disturb it, no wonder. Okay, I like to always fix this one here. Fix this one here so that easier to, and this one is more difficult because rising, falling. So I prefer to use it for the trigger manual.
Duty cycle. Duty
This
cycle.
one, duty cycle is this time over the whole thing. This time divided the whole T. But it's difficult to compute. I want to get in terms of milliseconds, this part. Remember T on equals to KT, right?
Yeah.
I want to align this to here. So I move this. No, this one move together. I have to move the trigger. I select trigger on this one easier. So what I do is menu, trigger on channel 3. Trigger on channel 3. I think it's channel 1 or 3. Should be a red one. Okay, this one is where's the channel 2? Where's the red arrow? This one.
Arrow.
Channel 3 that one.
Yeah, channel 3.
Okay, so move this.
Stop it.
Come down. Okay, stop already.
Or you have to point the thing you want.
I told you within the scope of this. So see now, trigger very nicely under this.
Depends on this.
So I want to measure 2 kilohertz. I have to set the cursor first, then I adjust this. Because setting this one is just the display here. It doesn't change the input signal. After you change the input signal, they change it. So I want to set it properly first. So put the cursor. Alright. Now I'm cursor, right? But I'm on the time base actually not too important because all the share are time base. So any channel will do. But amplitude you must get the correct one because sometimes the setting for each channel may not be the same. Right? Time base always the same. So that might we follow the tradition, follow exactly easier. So now I want to get cursor channel 3, right? Channel 1 is correct one. This channel 1, channel 3 is already channel 3. channel 3, is it? Red one, huh? So I move this here. Okay, I move this here. This point will not move. Huh?
Okay.
This under this. So this one I will move the other cursor, right? Cursor 2. Move this. Okay, you want the correct frequency, right? Don't look at this because this one is going to be changed. It's not correct. I want to see these two. To give me 2 kilohertz, one cycle, huh? One period. So I look at here. See this one? 704. Actually, this one is just displayed in the different format. The time and the reciprocal of time. So this is a frequency at the bottom. 2 kilohertz. Okay, if you really look at that, you can see very tiny here. I actually would like to expand it. Expand it better so that it's easier to see. Oh, this too narrow. Okay, so I will expand it, you see. 2 kilos is very small. Like too tiny. I make it bigger, whichever. Oh, this one worse. Okay, no choice, I put to the small one now. Do you see 2 kilohertz coming here? 2.5, 2.2, 2.08.
Yeah.
2 kilohertz, huh? So I squeeze everything into here. Huh? Can you change the frequency now? Squeeze one cycle. That means from here to here is one cycle, right? Squeeze everything into here. Some more?
What do you adjust?
Frequency. Yeah. Adjust. Some more. Some more. Won't blow up lah. Okay, coming. Some more. Okay. Some more. A little bit more. You see, this one very difficult to adjust, right? Normally, I would like to make it bigger. Then this one is going to give you 2 kilohertz. If you stretch it out, you move this one out. I didn't change this, right? Yeah. So I change the way I look at it. 2 kilohertz. These 2 kilohertz. See? You see that? So now, you didn't change this, right? So it's the way I see it. So these 2 kilohertz, this one don't touch it. So now change the duty cycle, right? You see, even I switch to a bigger one, you can see that it's still correct. It's still correct because, let me see, because I move this here. One cycle is from here to here, right? Move this here. DC is still
2K. Yeah.
2K,
1.98.
1.9 lah. Okay. So no matter how I change here, it will not change the input. Only when you change the input, then the value will change accordingly. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to look at the duty cycle here.
T off.
Right? T off, which is 30%. Though this is about 30, I don't know. So I work out using the formula, right? T on equals to 0.3, 30% times period, which is this one. 0.5 millisecond, right? So it's 0.15, right?
0.15.
0.15, So I'm going to adjust this to 0.15, but I don't adjust this randomly because if I will move this first to get 0.15, then I will adjust this to fit in. Okay? Got it? So I'll put this. This one I leave it there. This one will move. I'll go this one. Yeah. 0.15. 0.15 is 150 micro. This one, now I use a delta T. Resolution not good enough. 148, okay? 0.148, still almost 1.15. So I must squeeze this one to here. Then I get 30% of the whole thing. Now adjust duty cycle, not the frequency. No. Yeah. Switch.
Duty cycle.
The other way. Almost there.
Yeah.
More fun than computer game. Okay, can. Hey, overshoot already. A little bit more. Okay, can. All right. So this one, what do you say? My hearing not very good, I mean that.
No, I know this. I say this.
Okay. So this one is 0.15 millisecond. This whole thing is 0.5 millisecond. So this is about 30% of the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
0.3. You change this It won't change anything. Oh, still the same. So this one, the setting done already. So okay, just demo so they can speed up the thing. The table requires to measure the 0.5 already calculated, right? So I want to have a VDC. VDC, where's the voltmeter? This one. Okay, record down. Then you need to measure what else?
Then T off.
T on.
Delta, okay. Pick to pick, this one. This one, right? So this one is channel 1, right? Yellow. So you press this. Press under channel 1. Channel 1. But this is wrong, right? Because the type is wrong. Set the mode right first. Go to voltage. Voltage. Now I got 2, right? Move one of these to here. If you want it bigger, also can. It's up to you. You may make it bigger, also can. But
just
up
now
to you,
the duty cycle 0.3, right?
0.3%. Okay, I move this here.
Okay, all can. See.
And close it. Because this one will read, like just now, read the timing between the two cursor. Alright? So it's horizontal, I have this one. Then the next one is this one, cursor 2, move up. What do you get?
Peak to peak.
5 volt. So this is about 1, you can look here also, estimate. 1 square is 5 volts, so it's about 1 square. So it's 5 volts, the peak to peak.
Okay, I write already.
Done, finish already.
Okay.
Then the rest is compute only.
I think now we do the 0.4 one. Duty cycle.
This one you need to draw the two waveform. What?
Which one?
The cross the switch, right?
0.3 and
0.5.
0.5. Okay.
But 0.3 you need to draw this one, and this one optional. You can draw it out. I didn't ask for it, but you can draw for it for better understanding. Alright?
Can show the 0.5.
So wait first, I show the other one is V
0.4.
across the inductor. Across the inductor. This one you got to record down and give me the result.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one I put it
Channel 2.
on one of the lines because the reference. So you can see this AC, no? You see that? Negative, positive, negative. This one, the supply, this is a load, right? Low voltage, VRL. You see? This is 0, always positive, but it's rippling. So you need to draw these two. Okay, then you label. So a photograph will do. You take a photo, you got all this in, then okay.
How do you see 0?
This 0 reference.
Zero.
Arrow on the left.
Okay.
Arrow on the left is always the reference for the channel. The color, look at it. If you color not so good, then look at number. 1, 2, 3.
Can take photo.
Can. Yeah, why to take photo? You take photo, you got everything already. But you have to, when you draw, I want you to draw. I don't want you to give me a photo. When you draw, then you must label. I know that you know that is objective.
You know, okay already.
I know already, but I want to make sure you also know.
You also don't
know.
We know about that.
Okay, right?
We know about that.
I get it. Then you go to the next one very fast. If you know how to do very fast.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will sit on it.